name's Akers here, the tie guy. Today we're going to be tying a new Isaia tie that I just got in. Isaia is a wonderful Italian brand out of Naples. You've seen me tie some of their ties before. Their logo is a red coral, so if you see red coral, I've got some of their shirts, sweaters, ties. They make a very high quality product. I think everything's done by hand, just about everything's done by hand there in Naples. But just got this tie in. So absolutely beautiful orange striped with blue stripes on a brown tie. So you've got brown tie, and then the orange stripes are outlined by kind of like almost a silver look, and then the blue stripes are also outlined by a silver look with the big brown stripe in the middle. I was trying to decide how to pair this. You know, I could go with a little bit lighter shirt, pair this with a navy suit because we have obviously almost a navy blue here. I could pair it with a gray suit, charcoal gray suit, but I decided to go with a darker blue shirt. It's not quite a navy, you know, but it's not a light blue like you know, one of these guys. But darker blue shirt, pairing with a tie, and going with a brown suit. And we're going to pair this today with a dressy brown belt and a pair of brown Oxford shoes. So let me take this tag off. Just got this in. Haven't had a chance to tie it up yet. But all the Isaia products I have so far are very high quality, very well made. I'm expecting the same from this tie. But let's do a quick review of it. It's a thicker silk. So you can see how thick the silk is there. It's pretty thick. This is one of their, they call it a, right here, 7-fold tie. That means it's been done by hand by one tailor. They take a piece of silk and they fold it 7 times. Usually on the handmade ties, you can see that the crease is not perfectly machined like some of the, you know, there's usually a tiny gap here, like some of the machine ties. And I just like that because I know one person had a hand in making this tie, and it was done, you know, done by a professional, done very well. That's what sometimes you're paying for with some of these brands. You're paying for that quality and that workmanship, and I personally think it's worth it. I think this is an absolutely gorgeous tie. Saw this on a website, had to have it, ordered it, and this is my first time tying it, so let's see what it looks like. When I'm dealing with a thicker Isaia tie like this, I know I've got to come down pretty far on my spot, because it's a thicker silk. It's going to take a little bit more silk to tie that knot, and this is going to tie a pretty thick knot. So we're going to go all the way up to here on that, and we're going to see what that comes together and looking like. Let's tie it up. Take the long part of the tie over top, back underneath and through. Then we come around behind, and up and over and back through. We're tying a double Windsor knot. Should be a perfect triangle when we're done with it. So now we want to do a checkpoint and make sure our triangles come together. It's looking good. Then we come back out and around the front, then up and behind, holding everything tight. And now we push it through this little pocket we've just created. Hold the top of the pocket, pull the tie through. Now we're going to adjust here. We're going to hold onto the knot, and we're going to pull the big part of the tie. And what that does is that tightens the knot. Look how beautiful a triangle is. And then the smaller part of the tie we use to bring the tie up. Now let's check for our length. We want the tip of the tie, this part of the tie right here, to come somewhere between the top and the bottom of the belt buckle. If it overhangs a little bit, that's okay, but it should never be short of the belt buckle, ever. Feeling it here, it comes just past the top. We're good there. Let me put this collar down. Let's take a look at this, see how this comes together here. Isaia ties tie just a really nice knot. So just tidying this up just a little bit. Look how beautiful that come together there. Absolutely beautiful. We take the back and we tuck it through the little strap on the back. The Isaia ties, they give you, some of the brands, the tag is going to be the strap. Isaia actually sews, that's the tailor sewed that in there. I really like that strap. Let's tuck that in here. Boy, I really like this tie a lot. I just love a classic look. I love those stripes. All right, the look will be scrolling across the bottom of your screen, but I'm going to go over it with you here. So we have, well, let me put this jacket on real quick, see what this looks like, and then we'll go over the look. Oh yeah, I love that. Check that out. That is just a great look. So today we have a Brown Zegna Suit, a Mernagillo Zegna Suit. We're pairing that with a blue Brooks Brothers shirt. We have an Isaia tie, tie that's brown with orange and blue stripes. We're wearing some cufflinks on this shirt today, so we're wearing a pair of Salvatore Ferragamo cufflinks in kind of a gunmetal gray or a silver because they match the belt buckle. I'm also wearing, I was going to go with the gold belt buckle with this, but because I was wearing a shirt with French, you know, sleeves with cufflinks, I decided we'll just match that up because I think it looks nice together. So we got Salvatore Ferragamo cufflinks, Salvatore Ferragamo belt, It's a dressy brown. It's a kind of a shiny brown, really pretty belt. Pairing that with a gunmetal to silver belt buckle. And today we're pairing that with a pair of brown Bally Oxfords. Now, on my Instagram, which is Tie Guy James Akers, Tie Guy James Akers, Akers, you can see close-ups of the belt with the shoes, close-ups of the tie, some selfies with it all tied together. But I love this look, absolutely love it, and I am ready for work.